I'm very pleased that there's a movie coming out on the Odyssey. The Odyssey is an extraordinary book. We read it at Thomas Aquinas College with our students. They love it. They love it at least in part because of the spectacle. The Odyssey begins, "Tell me, Muse, of the man of many ways." And that's an interesting way to begin the book because it's not so much about all the journeys that everyone knows, is visiting the Cyclops, going to Hades, his dalliances with the goddesses. It's more about the journey of his soul. That's, I think, what makes this book so timely. A man in search of happiness, maybe in all the wrong places at first, but at the end, when he goes to Hades, he sees his dead mother. He wonders about life after death. He tries to hug his mother, but she's a disembodied soul. And he learns for the first time what his wife and son have to put up with while he's been gone. And then he urges his own men on to return home. They all finally perish in one way or another. He alone survives, but he comes back in order to take back his home, his wife, his son, and his city. That's what makes it such a wonderful book.